Hi, this is a short tutorial for parents logging into ChildCloud and accessing Virtual Classroom for the first time. You would navigate to your browser and type in childcloud.co.za. You would then click on the login button. You would enter your email address and your password. If it's your personal computer, you can click the Remember Me button and then click Login. You will then land on a page that looks like this, depending on which icons your school wishes to share with you. This is just a demo school with stock images. The virtual classroom icon is at the bottom. You click on that. And then these are the subjects that would be preloaded specifically for your child. You only ever see subjects that are relevant to your child. At the top of the navigation bar, you can click on Calendar, select your child, and then you have access to a daily view of which lessons your school has loaded. You also have access to the calendar through the menu button of Virtual Classroom. So I'll just click on one more lesson for you quickly. So if we go into science condensation, for example, you can see the lesson date. There's a duration being set by the teacher. And if the teacher has allowed, you can do a Zoom meeting by clicking on the icon. And then you just type in the ID and the password that the school has preset for security reasons. And if you scroll down, there's also videos that you can watch and links to different websites that the teacher has requested that your child view. And then to go back to the virtual classroom, you just click on Virtual Classroom Home, and that gives you an overview of all the different subjects, and within every subject there will be lessons loaded. If you need any help, please contact support@childcloud.co.za.